Rengkat bagi nang alam nak keleng kiri bat kilat mut kipat ba. Menteri rang ba ke jala Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ha ka arpun ru tarik uyayong hajar arbusan. Wali Ïashimbynta ke Jing-ontep dan buram yok ba bekut Pope Francis ha Vatican. Conrad Sangma ula penpau bu snodap ke jingkerku banyo Ïashimbynta ke Jing-ontep yo Pope Francis. Bagi senam ke belalet ula yo ekalat bani kendo yo Pope ndre menta baniren bentalang ha ke Jing-ontep kalong ke buram. Buat usung bulayo ya ke jingkerku. Conrad Sangma ulong bahag ni kesni wat nak Jing-ontep bi upo. Komba ulale akapor budang im. Lapini teli gipat ba ha ke bagi breu nak keleng jo ke petai kilawan man ai buram khatdo ya Pope Francis. Hagani ke Jinglet Vatican la senran lang yo menteri rang ba dau officer on special duty but political secretary uba Daniel Thankyo. Conrad Sangma ule kendo yu Pope Francis ha Vatican hauno pra ke senam hajar apua. Ha ke bau ule kentu yu Pope ban bo jing dawai lam na ke benta ke jela Meghalaya kari bat na ke benta kipat ba. Ka Presiden ke India ke Draupadi Murmu rengkat ke jing senran lang ki menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng di bekentop yu Kiran Rijiju bat u George Korean. Kilalet Vatican mana buram khatdo ya Pope Francis.
I feel truly blessed today to be part of the funeral service of Pope Francis. I had the opportunity to meet him a couple of years back, and today to be part of the funeral service is very solemn, and I truly feel very, very blessed. And today, even on his funeral, like he did when he was alive, he united people, and even today in his funeral he has united people from all over the world today have come to pay their respects to Pope Francis. We will miss him, and may his soul rest in eternal peace.